Okay, so this is part of the machining process right here. And I'll make sure this is tight. And I need to take this particular machining piece off. That guy on there. And I just need to grab one of my tools here. I just want to turn that like that. That's it. Whoops. Make sure that this is still feasible here. Yeah, okay. And I just want to clean that up, so. Cleaning her up. Probably spin her up a bit quicker than that, but anyway, you get the idea. There we are, coming towards the end of her. There she is. It's all nice and squared up now. Now the other next thing I want to do is I want to just skim a little bit off here to clear this, just to clean this up a little bit. And I might change. Change gears here. Gotta make sure we got it in there. Got it right here. Yeah. And make sure we get it. I don't want to take too much off. That's probably good right there. Okay. There we go. There it is. Have a look here. See if it's cleaning it up. I can go a little deeper on that. Yeah, that'll do it. I want to make sure it's nice and clean. Let's clean her up nice. As you can see, I want to make sure I got enough to do. Should have enough. Yes. Aluminum, you want to use higher speeds. I got to this box here, it's got a sight gauge for the oil, and it's leaking. There's an O-ring in there, and I'm gonna have to pull this apart. It'd be nice if I could just drop this box down and change the O-ring. I don't know if I have to take the whole saddle apart. I've had it apart before, but anyway, there's the where's the piece cleaned up, and I'm gonna cut my pucks out. I gotta measure them first, cut them out, and then with the bandsaw, I'm gonna cut them. I could part them off with a parting tool. I might do that too. Yeah, this I think I need to get more. I think I need to get more bits. But this is a parting tool, and you put it in there, and it just and you set to wherever you want and part it. I can either bandsaw them off, and then I can throw them on the mill and face mill it flat. I'm not sure if I've got, I don't think I've got inserts for the, I don't think I've got inserts for the, whoa, that's kind of up close, isn't it? What is going on with that? Okay. I don't know if I've got the inserts for the cutoff tool in here. I've got inserts. I need to get those inserts for this. God, I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. I might just bandsaw it. It's not like it's got to be, Oh, wait a minute. There we go. I do have the inserts for the cutoff tool. Good. Yeah. So I might do that. I don't know. Let's see. Anyway, I got to clean the shop up, and but that's the beginnings of getting that set up, getting this mounted on here. So that's part of the machining process of that. Yeah. So. This thing is not the easiest thing to operate, I'll tell you, this tripod. So, yeah, so that's that. And like I said, I can cut these off in the bandsaw over there and then go over here to the mill and mount it in the milling vise, because I've got parallels. Put that up in there and then just face mill it and it'll mill flat. It's not like it's got to be, you know, if it's within, it's just got to be flat, you know. It doesn't have to be, you know, within microns. It doesn't have to be within microns. It's just, you know, it needs to be flat, right? Like that's flat and square there. Once I start cutting, the bandsaw cuts it fairly square, then I'm good. If not, I can mount it in parallels in there. But I'm gonna, when I measure that, I gotta make sure I leave enough room for machining. That's the other thing I gotta do. I gotta leave enough room for machining. So, anyway. Wild Bill from Jeep Central, machine shop, mechanics, you name it, we do her here. So welding, TIG welding, MIG. I gotta clean all this up in here. But anyhow, we'll get back to this maybe tomorrow. Wild Bill out.